The CNMI's COVID testing capacity is slowing down. More people want to get tested, but there's an issue with SolGent PCR testing kits from South Korea.
The tests were coming back with erroneous results.
The NMI's chief of testing operations sounded the alarm as lawmakers peppered government and health officials with questions at a legislative hearing on Tuesday.
It led to chaos, I guess. People wanting to get tested, which we only inform those who are presumed positive.
As Omicron floods the island, he says mayhem erupted in one location, leaving some people in panic with issues on the South Korean platform.
We are trying to identify the SolGent test kits to bring it back up on board to quality control. And we are at the state, I believe, on the last check. And hopefully by tomorrow, we get an answer if it's good to go.
They've now moved on to PCR testing on the Abbott platform, which must be done within 24 hours of specimen collection. The SolGent platform allows specimens to be frozen for 72 hours. Public Health was not able to confirm how many SolGent test kits are in stock or the CNMI's overall testing capacity, but he says the core issue lies in the wrong motivations to get tested.
Communities, businesses, if they're not vaccinated, they're requiring them to get tested weekly. For some, I think it's monthly. So there again lies an issue because that test is only good for that day.
While most who register for testing end up testing positive, he says the approach needs to change dramatically for both businesses and even those working at schools.
Mandate vaccine if you're a business, and if they cannot, then fire them. I'm being candid here, I'm being honest.
NMI Hospital CEO Esther Muña offered her own candid assessment, saying that the islands need a new hospital. The NMI had to open an alternate care site at Kanoa Resort to accommodate increased hospitalizations due to COVID.
We're always going to be the only players in town.
Executives from FEMA's Region 9 office will be visiting Saipan at the end of the month to assess the state of the NMI's only hospital. Tomas Manglona for KOAM News on Saipan.